Now, a Pepeha is part of your whakapapa, part of your genealogy. We have quite a speech-making culture, te iwi Māori, so it's really important to be able to introduce yourself in public and by stating your whakapapa or your Pepeha, which is your mountain, your river, your lake, your tribe, and your waka, if you like. Now, different iwi have different tikanga or different protocols around Pepeha. My personal view is Pepeha are a personal thing. How you order your whakapapa, your Pepeha is up to you. Some people start off by citing their maunga, their mountain, then they might go to their lake or their river, and then they might say their tribe, and then they might say their waka or their canoe. But every iwi, every individual has their own way of doing it. Another question I get asked is about whether non-Māori can do Pepeha. Yes, I have no problem with non-Māori doing Pepeha. So it's really your connection to the area where you live. Let's say you live in Rotorua, like you may be from Wellington. You might be from Wellington, from Kendala or Porirua or somewhere, but you lived in Rotorua for 20 years. So you might not even be Māori, you might be from the Cook Islands, from Aitutaki or somewhere, but you didn't actually live in Aitutaki, but you were raised here in Rotorua, in Wellington, so you know, what's my Pepeha? So I mean, that's an individual choice, so you can simply acknowledge the tangata whenua of that area. So for example, I have a friend called James, and James is from the Cook Islands, but he's lived in Rotorua for 10 years, so he's originally from Wellington. But James can say, no ko ngongotaha te maunga. Ngongotaha is the mountain, ko Rotorua te moana, ko Ngāti Whakaue te iwi, ko te arawa te waka. So that's just an example, even though James is from Aitutaki, okay, te pai, he's part of us now, so there is nothing wrong with non-Māori using maunga, landmarks of an area where they're connected to. Ka pai?